Looking for a way to beat the heat without cranking up your energy bill? Here are the 5 best ductless mini-split air conditioners I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Ductless Air Wall Bracket. Let's kick things off with the Ductless Air Outdoor Wall Bracket, priced at just $32.99. What caught my attention is its heavy-duty design, holding units from 9,000 to 36,000 BTU securely in place. If you want a reliable bracket to support your mini-split system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bracket is designed to withstand the elements while securely mounting your air conditioner to the wall. If you've ever worried about your AC unit being too heavy or unstable, this bracket alleviates that concern and is built to support up to 400 pounds. And with over 1,000 units sold this past month, clearly many people trust it. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or have a friend who can help, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, once it's up, you'll feel confident knowing your unit is secure. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy and reliable way to mount your ductless mini-split. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY projects. For the price, it's a solid value that gives you peace of mind. Now, if the installation concerns of the ductless air bracket bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Heavy-Duty Wall Bracket. The mini-split wall mounting bracket, retailing for $35.14. This heavy-duty bracket caught my eye because it supports units from 7,000 to 12,000 BTUs and boasts a maximum capacity of 400 pounds. If you want a reliable installation solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? The sturdy construction means you won't have to worry about your AC unit sagging or falling over time, which is crucial for your peace of mind. Plus, it's been bought by over 600 people this past month, showing that many are opting for this dependable choice. Some users mention that the bracket's finish rusts if exposed to rain. Here's the thing though, if you live in a drier area or can mount it under a roof, this won't be an issue. It's a solid investment for those who want durability and strength at a low price point. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that won't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you're in a particularly wet area. It's a great value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ensuring your AC stays stable. Product number 3, Universal Air Conditioner Bracket. The next product is the mini-split air conditioner bracket, priced at $36.95. What stands out about this bracket is its versatility, accommodating units from 7,000 to 18,000 BTU, while supporting an impressive 270 pounds. If you need a universal solution that doesn't compromise on stability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The universal fit means it can hold various mini-split systems without worrying about compatibility. Plus, if you're dealing with heavier models, this bracket ensures they're securely installed, which is vital for your confidence and its safety. With over 100 units sold recently, it's getting good traction. Now, some people pointed out that it doesn't come with all the necessary screws. Here's the thing though, while it's a bit of an inconvenience, most people have spare screws lying around or can pick some up easily. It's a minor flaw that doesn't overshadow its solid performance. This is perfect for you if you have a heavier mini-split system and need a reliable bracket. Skip this if you want a complete kit out of the box. For the price, it's a fair deal. Now, if the lack of screws in the last bracket concerned you, the next product might just have everything you need. Product number 4, Adjustable Anti-Vibration Stand. Coming in at $71.24 is the mini-split ground stand. This adjustable anti-vibration stand is designed for 9,000 to 12,000 BTU units and can hold up to 400 pounds. If you're looking for a stable foundation for your air conditioner, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
The anti-vibration feature not only protects your unit, but also reduces noise, which is a big deal if you want to enjoy a quiet home environment. Plus, with 50 units sold recently, it shows that others appreciate the benefits of the stand's stability and noise reduction. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky to assemble. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's rock solid and will serve you well for years. The initial hassle is worth it for the long-term benefits. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability and quiet operation. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact. For the price, you're investing in quality. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, the last product on our list might just be the right fit for you. Product number 5, portable air conditioner. We have the 24-inch windowless portable air conditioner at $109.99. This caught my attention because of its 3-in-1 functionality, including cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. If you want a portable solution to keep cool during hot summer days, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this is important for you. With its 15-hour timer and 120 degrees oscillation, you can easily adjust the temperature in your space without wasting energy. The 2-gallon tank means you won't need to constantly refill it. It's a solid option for small apartments or offices. Plus, with 50 units sold recently, many people are finding it helpful. Some users did express frustration about the noise level being higher than expected. Here's the thing though, while it's not completely silent, it's still quieter than traditional window units, making it a reasonable compromise for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a portable AC unit that's easy to move around and effective. Skip this one if you need near-silent operation. It's a good value for a portable system. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the mini split ground stand because its stability and anti-vibration features offer real peace of mind. I'd advise avoiding the heavy-duty wall bracket if you live in a wet area, as rust can be a concern. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. To recap, we've explored sturdy wall brackets for secure mounting, adjustable stands for anti-vibration, and even a portable solution for on-the-go cooling. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the mini split ground stand because its stability and anti-vibration features offer real peace of mind. I'd advise avoiding the heavy-duty wall bracket if you live in a wet area, as rust can be a concern.